Hello everyone, welcome to Meda's Bridge. Let us learn SQL, a structured query language, is also known as SQL. Visit us at our YouTube channel Meda's Bridge. Please subscribe the channel if yet to be. Thanks for your support. Here is the today's agenda. On my SQL workbench, we have created a database with name Meda's Bridge, and we also created a table with name students in the database Meda's Bridge. Now we would like to insert data into the table. We also say we would like to insert records into the table. For that, we already specified how the table columns should be named and what type of value should be given to the column name. In order to insert data into the table, we have a syntax. Here is the syntax. The syntax is insert into medasbridge.students. This is fully qualified name. Down below, we have names of the column in the table and also the values of the column of the table. Look at the SQL query. This syntax says insert into medasbridge.student. In this table, we are trying to insert this record. Here we have given column names already. With these column names, we will give corresponding values to the columns. Student ID, student name, age, course, grade and phone number. Here are the corresponding values. If you execute this syntax and command, the whole data gets inserted into the table. Let us see how does it go. See, the syntax got executed successfully. You see green here. The one row gets affected. That means the record is inserted. By looking at the select query, we will see whether the record got inserted properly or not. We came to this window, select star from medasbridge.student. If you execute this statement, we get to see the record is properly inserted or not. See, look at the record. 123 Tom C 45 data science A with the phone number. Here also there is no error is shown. That means the record got inserted properly. We would like to insert two records into the table. For that, I have taken two separate insert into MySQL queries. Here are the two separate statements. After executing this, the record should be inserted into the table successfully. Execute. See, it got executed. The both statement got executed successfully. To check whether the records got inserted into the table or not, go to select, and now we execute this statement. We will see the records got inserted into the table or not. Now see, the two records got inserted into the table. Now we would like to insert multiple records. Now we would like to insert multiple records into the table. For that, in a single MySQL query, I am inserting all the records. After executing this, the multiple records should be inserted into the table. Executed. See, the statement got executed successfully with 5 rows. We go to select query and check whether the records got inserted into the table successfully or not. See, they got successfully inserted. This is how we insert records into the table. We have seen the single record insertion, and we also seen multiple records in multiple insertions, and we also seen multiple insertions in single statement. If you would like to delete all records from the table, here is the syntax. Delete from medasbridge.student. With this, we could delete all the records from the table. Execute it. It got executed properly, and then that means the records in the table got deleted. Now see whether is there any record in the table or not. Now go to select and execute it. We see there is no record presented in the table student table. Here we have seen how to insert a record into a table, and we also have seen how to insert 2 records using 2 separate SQL statements, and we have seen how to insert multiple records using single SQL statement, and we check whether the records got successfully inserted or not using select query, and also we have seen how to delete the records from the table. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, click on the bell icon, and please leave the comment. Happy learning. Thank you. Stay tuned to the upcoming sessions.